Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 3rd, and this is my analysis of the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So I'm definitely still calling this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and maybe, just maybe, we have found a top. Definitely a very impulsive move down. It definitely did go up to and beyond my target for the wave 5, and I do see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves right here. So if we do get a break of structure telling us that this wave 5 is over, that potentially would be a trade that may eventually take us down to the low of wave 4, which is a lot of pips to the downside. Taking it down to the weekly time frame, we really have to keep in mind that we do have an engulfing move down. We do have a Fibonacci bounce, but we really still don't have any break of structure. And to me, it still kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3. I still think there is a possibility we could push up one more time, but I would definitely be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. And while we're looking for shorts, it just keeps on going down. Then that's really fine by me. I'll just keep on looking for shorts, but I am keeping in mind that it definitely has that 1, 2, 3 shape, and it may actually make a wave 4 and go back up again for a wave 5. So, keeping all that in mind, taking it down to the daily time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on here because, like I said, there is definitely a chance that this is a wave 3, this is a wave 1, a wave 2, and we're currently in a wave 4. If it is a wave 4, then it would definitely bounce off a fib level, give us a nice engulfing move up. But we have to keep in mind that a wave 4 would be around the same size on the time scale as a wave 2. So it may actually be more likely, even if it is a wave 4, to do some sort of a three-way pattern before it actually does go back up. Either way, I would definitely be looking for shorts as of now. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I would be looking for shorts. Like I said, I do suspect that the dollar possibly could make a move up. Today is non-farm payroll news. I wouldn't be surprised if it actually did start a move up, which would be a wave B, and then maybe later on go down for a wave C. Or there's a possibility that this is not an ABC correction, but it's actually a 1, a 2, and a 3 of a much, much bigger correction like I was showing on the monthly and weekly time frame. If this really is the end of a wave 5, then this would be a 1, 2, 3, not an ABC. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally would be looking for shorts right now, at least until we get a break of structure to the upside, which we definitely do not have. If today's non-farm payroll news does cause a break of structure up, I would stop looking for shorts and I would start looking for longs, because at that point it's probably likely to make some sort of a three-way pattern up, some sort of an ABC, probably an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. But I would have to see a nice clear break of structure before I would start looking for longs, because there's always a chance that this may just keep on going down, and as of right now, I'm definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all the swing trade setups that I share with my members at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.